Alright guys, so I just took apart my intake, took off the top filter, well the only filter, and the top part, and then took out the connecting tube and to clean my throttle body. And look at how dirty it is on each side. That is why my idle has been so bad. There's so much clogging it right now. So after I'm done taking all this out, I'm about to clean this with some throttle body cleaner, and then I'm gonna hit the mass airflow sensor as well, and then I'll let you know how it turns out. It should smooth out the idle by so much. The idle has been a little bit rough, so we're gonna clean this and see how much it makes it better. All right, this is post cleaning, post throttle body and mass airflow sensor cleaning. And when stationary and in drive, the RPMs would be 500, sometimes drop to 400, and then shoot back up to 500, 600. Right now it's at a steady 700. When I was driving around and coming to a complete stop, it was stopping at 800 RPMs instead of dropping all the way down to like 400 or 500 and shaking a lot. So I mean, I think this fixed it. Don't worry about that light. I think this fixed it for the most part. It didn't take too long. It took me 2 or 3 hours, just because it was hard to get the hose clamp off of the throttle body, the big hose. But I mean, yeah, I mean, it's not going anywhere near 500, so this is a success in my book. Yeah.